All right, Keith is back. I have my notes that didn't really do well the first round, but
got you out of the gate, but you stumbled a little bit eventually. Today was beautiful.
it really was.
Wednesday will actually be mild, but in between we got a little bit of a mess. So we'll
What is
talk
up
about
with
that. Well, it's just, it's still February, so.
Right.
Can't have it all.
No.
It feels like March though, doesn't it?
Yeah, a
Maybe
little
it's because
bit.
we've had a couple of days that have been like nice and
Well, the days are starting to get longer too, which is nice.
sun angle matters.
Yep.
Sun angle's starting to help. So I'm being positive. I'm setting you up in case you can't tell. I'm being positive at the beginning. 52 for a high in Portland today, 56 in Portsmouth, 49 in Bangor. Nice day, way above average. Obviously, your average high is 36, starting to creep up, but nowhere near the 50s. Still sitting there. What's interesting is a lot of times this time of the year into March, into April even, you get a quick spike way above average, but then you get onshore flow, a sea breeze kicks it away. Hasn't really happened here today, except for Bar Harbor, but most of us have stayed mild still. Here's our next storm system. It's actually up here. It's going to join into just basically a warm front, cold front combo. Nothing too crazy, but the temperature profile makes it a little bit interesting tomorrow night, especially away from the coast. Before that happens, it'll be quiet tonight and relatively mild. Temperatures upper 30s, low 40s, a couple of flurries a possibility. Tomorrow during the day is a quiet day as well. So we talked about a storm last week on Tuesday. It's really more like Tuesday night. It's slowed down just enough. So just keep that in mind that during the day tomorrow, I don't think there's any problems. Again, a flurry or a sprinkle certainly is a possibility, especially along the coastline. Temperatures are in the mid and upper 30s here as the day advances. And the first wave that comes in, that's the area that we could have a little trouble with because it'll be just cold enough for some sleet and maybe some snow into the mountains and foothills. But eventually that warm air just starts driving north overnight Thursday night. And I don't think anybody except for northern Aroostook County is left with snow by midnight tomorrow night. Then it's periods of rain, temperatures in the upper 40s and low 50s. And we start the day on Wednesday in the 50s, and I actually think this model is too cool. I think we'll make a run into the low 60s and then we come crashing down in a hurry, going from the 60s down into the teens by Thursday morning. That'll be drastic even by Maine standards. After that, our next storm system to watch is Friday. I think it's pretty much a lock that we'll get snow. It's just magnitude, the magnitude Friday afternoon, Friday night. To me, it looks like 6 or more inches of snow. It's just a matter of is that like a 6 to 8 or is it 6 to 12? It makes a difference, right? But plowable snow, as we like to say when we're being squirmy on Friday. And then the weekend should be colder and quiet Saturday and Sunday. We're watching another system on Monday. It's a miss right now, but I think it has a lot to do, guys, with what happens on Friday. The exact low there will show us. But there's not a lot of movement on this storm on Friday. I mean, I think it's a hit. It's just going to be a matter of how far north does the heavy snow end up. That's what's keeping us from a map. Should be able to do one tomorrow, I would think.
All right, we'll hold you to it.
We'll
I know you will. You
Thanks,
tend to
Keith.
remember.